In this video, I will show you how to use System.io for affiliate marketing. So in this video, for the example, I will be promoting this affiliate offer right here. So this is a smoothie diet, and I'll show you exactly how you can build out the funnel and set up automated emails to actually get a lot of conversions for your affiliate marketing through System.io. So first you want to go ahead and create your System.io account. You can use the link down in the description to do this for free. Then after you create your account, go to funnels right here, and here you want to go ahead and click on create in the top right, and now here give your funnel a name. The name doesn't really matter, and then click build an audience right here, then click save. And now you want to go ahead and open up that funnel by clicking on the name. And now here you want to go ahead and choose a template. So I would recommend choosing a simple template, and I'll show you one that I will pick. So I'll pick this one right here so you can preview it. So it's just a simple form, and I'm going to select this one and I'll show you why. So go ahead and click select right here, and now you want to click edit page right there. So this is our squeeze page, which is step number 1 of our funnel, and this funnel will be really simple. Now the first thing I want to do is add a background image that has to do something with my affiliate offer. So what I'm going to do is find a background image of a smoothie. So I'll take this one right here. It's royalty free, so I'm just going to download this one. Make sure you have a high quality picture, and then go and click on the background right here, and then here you will see background image. Now go ahead and click on upload, and just go ahead and drag in or upload your file. Then click insert, and now you will see I have uploaded the picture right here. Now this one is a bit too low quality, so I'll just find another one and change it. So I've changed it to a different one right now. So now we can get to actually customizing this page. So my specific affiliate offer is a 21-day weight loss smoothie challenge. So that is also what I'm going to be promoting right here. Now first what I will do is remove this logo image right here. And now here we can actually go and customize the text. Now if you're not sure what you should put as the headline right here, it's pretty simple. Just take one of the headlines of your affiliate offer. So for example, I will take one that it says right here, the Smoothie Diet 21-day program. I'll copy this and just go and paste it in right here. So now that you have pasted it in, you can choose the colors. So I recommend taking the same basic colors as your affiliate offer. So one color that you see a lot is red right here, so I'll make my buttons this kind of red. And then you also see blue and green a lot. So I'll just make half of this text right here, the Smoothie Diet, green. So just select that part of text, and I will make that green. Now here you want to put some more text, so I'll just take some more from right here. So I'll take this headline right here, delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy and incredible health. So I'll take that one and just go and upload right here as the subtitle. So then we have customized this piece of text, and it looks pretty good in my opinion. Now what we want to go and do is select which information we need right here. For me, I only need a first name and email, so I'm going to remove the last name and just click delete right there and then click OK. Now here in the bottom you will see the build with System.io, and if you want to delete this, just click on the delete icon and that will be removed. So now you just have this simple page right here, and here I'm first going to customize this button right here. So right now it says submit, and now you can see what this button does. So first it submits the form, so that's this right here. And then do you want to redirect users after contact registration to the next step? So that's perfect. Now what we're going to do is customize this button so that it has the same colors as we have right here. Now I'm just going to make this one the same green as I have right there. So you can choose the background color right here, and I'll just pick this one, and now that is also customized. So instead of submit, I will click next step. So instead of submit right here, I will type next step. So now you have customized this page, and now you can go and click on preview in the top right, and now you will see what the page looks like. Now I'm going to make the background a bit bigger because this page doesn't look very good right now. So now that this image has the full background, I want to put this little form right here in the middle, so I'll click on it, and for the padding in the top I will increase this. So I'll just put a row right above it right here by dragging in a row, and then we have a little space right here, and I'll just make that row a little bit bigger by increasing the margin right here so that this thing becomes kind of in the middle. So now when we preview this page, you can see it looks a lot better. So now once you fill in your information here and click next step, you will be taken to the next step. So for now, go and click save changes right here, and now we can move on to the next step, which is the most important step. So go back here and then go to your thank you/download page. Now this page is very important, and what we are going to do here is the following. First, we also need to go ahead and select a template for this page. Now again, I'm going to keep it simple. So I'll just take this one right here, since this is the simplest one, and click on select. Now again, we are going to customize this so that it kind of looks like the first page we just had. So first you can go ahead and upload a background image by clicking on the background and uploading an image. So I'm just going to upload the same image right here as I just did. And then click insert. And now you can see it doesn't look quite right, so I'm just going to select it right here. And now you can see it shows twice because it's set to repeat. Instead, I will set it to fill 100% width and height. Now you can see we have this space in the bottom. So to fill that up, what I'm going to do is put a little bit of padding at the top like this. And now you can see it fills up the entire page. Now I want to put this entire section at the middle. So what I'm going to do is just take the background, decrease the padding at the top a bit and increase it at the bottom so that it will be in the middle like this. So now we want to customize this. So this image right here we can probably just remove. And now here it will say thank you for subscribing. Now we recommend you to join our Facebook group. Now this is not what we want. So instead we are going to change this. So there's a couple things here that I recommend you do. One thing is to add in your own video or a testimonial of the actual product if you have tried it, so that you can build up a relationship with the people who sign up for your form. So to do this, simply enter a video right here and just put it in anywhere you want. Now here you can either upload a YouTube video, so just click on it, or you can upload it directly into your funnel here and then it will show right here. Now first, what I'm also going to do is to change the colors to the colors that match with the first page. So this section right here I'm going to make green by clicking on it, selecting the background color and just making it green right here, like that. Now I'm going to do the same with the text right here, although we are going to change this text to a different text. So I'll just remove the top since I don't need that part. But now here, instead of thank you for subscribing, we are going to take another bit of the website. So for example, I'll take this one right here. And now as you can see, we have this font. I don't really like this, so I'm just going to select this text right here. Then go to font type. And I will use a Google font and just select a font right here. So for example, I'll use this one and now you can choose a font style. So I'll select this and now I'm going to make this a different color by clicking on it and then selecting the color right here. And now after you add the headline right here, you can add a little video. You don't have to, you can just remove that if you want. And now I'm just going to remove this text right here. And we are also going to customize this button. Now this button is very important because this button is where we are going to put our affiliate link. So for the text, first we are going to say get started right here. Now for the color, I'm again going to change it to the green color like that. Now here you want to type something like get your plan by clicking on get started, or get your plan by clicking below. Of course it depends on what affiliate marketing offer you are promoting, so in my case it would be something like that. And this little part of text I can just remove, so click OK right there, and then this row can also be removed. So now you can say get your plan here, and then you can click get started right there. Now I do recommend adding in a video, so I'm just going to upload a video right there, and I'll just keep it like the standard one here. So now that we have customized this button, the final thing we need to do is set the action when button click to open URL, and here paste in your affiliate link. So let's say this right here is my affiliate link. Then what I'm going to do is just paste in that affiliate link right here. So then after you paste in the affiliate link, you can click save changes in the top right, and now we can just test out if this funnel works by closing this, going to the squeeze page, click on view funnel step. Now here I'll just enter a first name and email, and now go and click next step. And now as you can see, it will take them to the next step. Now here if you have a little testimonial video, or you just explaining the product for example, and telling the people why it's a good product and why they should buy it, then the conversion will be way higher. But you just want to customize this page to however you want. And now here it will say get your plan here. You can also optionally add the link when they click right there, and then once they click get started, it will take them to your affiliate link into the sales funnel. Now it's important to have this link right here from the button lead directly into the sales page with the video right here. so that they are closest to actually buying the product. So now when somebody buys this, you will make some money. Now one final step I like to take when doing affiliate marketing using System.io is to also set up some automations. So I set up some emails. To do this, just go to automation rules inside of your funnel right here and click add rule. So first you need to add a trigger. So this for me occurs when a contact has just subscribed through a form. It can also occur when a person visits a selected page, but I'm going to select this one right here, and then you want to click on that rule, and then you want to click add action, and then you want to click subscribe to campaign. And now here you need to choose a campaign, so we are going to create our email campaign right here by clicking create under emails, then giving it a name. And now we're just going to create some emails that you want to send when somebody is close to buying and goes to the next step. So click create right here, then give the email a subject, add your sender name, and just create a couple of emails that will be sent automatically when somebody fills in the form that will help people actually buy the product. So you can just take some inspiration from the page right here. So you can send an email what's exactly included, for example, some bonuses, etc. So you can say, for example, for a subject, buy now to get the 3-day smoothie detox or a quick start guide, whatever is included with what you are selling. So just set up that campaign, and then after you create that campaign, you can go back to your funnel here, then click on the funnel that it is. So for me this one, go to automation rules, click on this one, then click add action, subscribe to campaign, and then select the campaign right here and click save rule. So now when a contact has just subscribed through a form, they will go through the email campaign automatically. And everything I showed you in this video in System.io can be done completely for free with my link down in the description. Only when you need to build more funnels and send thousands of emails, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. So just go to select your affiliate offer, so something like this always works well, and then go to create your funnel, and this can be a very simple funnel, just like the one that I built right here. Just collect a first name and email address, and then lead them to the next step, where you will have some kind of a sales video preferably, and just lead them to your affiliate offer, and then you will make a lot of money when you have some traffic coming in. So that's how to use System.io for affiliate marketing. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.